Welcome back. I'm going to show you my development progress for my game. I dig out some old files from 2019 when I was working on this in Visual Studio using C#. Let's run this. Start very fast, but like you see, the screen size of the tiles is very small. I decided to switch it. I was working on this one, trying some basic pathfinding. If you are going to mark a tile and send some of those P objects to it, they will find the shortest way, going along one line, later another one. Let's send another one, going from there. That's it, you enter. Going along X line, later going along Y line. Of course I want to improve that, and I did a little improvements for that later on. But first thing, it was changing the size of the tiles. Turn it off. Let's turn it off, show you the next iteration of the development. Let's start it. Bug empties. Starting. Now the screen in Monogame runs. No flickering. Thanks for Monogame. Let's put few of them on the screen. I left the size of P objects to be the same, and basically size of the tiles is twice of that. I was thinking about different solution, but it seems like this was what I wanted. Let's see this pathfinding. It's so many of them over here. Let's put the drop zone. That's the place where they're supposed to deliver, and some tiles to dig out. Yes, two of them found it. Paths very easily because it's very close to it. Now they are looking for the path between starting point and ending point. First, he's going. If I would like to add new P objects to do the work, he's going to look for the closest one. So he's going to create. Let's say if this is closest one, he's going to create a rectangle over there. And this is not Astar solution. It's brute force. I was reading some deep article about them, about those kind of programming thing, on the internet. I found like 5 different solutions. I knew that Astar was ahead of me. I would have to do Astar because it seems like it's the best one, but for that reason and that time this was different solution. Let's see if this function will add another one. Let's add one more. I think this one is going there. Yeah, it found the path very fast, and now when he was there, it started looking from path to here to there. Now if they will dig it out, the tile deliver to drop zone is going to be full and tile will disappear. The whole idea for the game, if they will work together, is going to be much faster. You have basically group of your objects working together. Let's send another one. I hope he's not going to crash. Is one coming here or no? I think this one is going, yes. But the drop zone is full already. So you see, this was my development. Tiles have thousands of those U-bits. By collecting the tiles to the drop zone. After that, I should still work on the Astar at the time, but I switched my solution, my focus, development focus, to work on the mixer. And like I mentioned before, I didn't succeed much with the mixer for various reasons, and the main one because I was starting working too much on the GUI elements, which I needed for the mixer. To look nice. The idea was that the player will decide what is on the mixer, make a decision which elements to mix, and from those you are going to get new elements. I was in my imagination that there's going to be a lot of features, GUI elements for that. This was my last development, and file is from 2019. After that I make a break for that project. I didn't develop much later, but I found in 2020, in the previous year, very nice game engine, Godot. I was considering different game engines also. I read a lot about Godot first, and I decided to give it a try. Again with the same project, but I have to start over again from the scratch. Let's see this in the next video. Thank you for watching.